Namaskar. So this video is for many people. We are getting a lot of calls these days because as a counselor I also helps in career changes and job search for people who are struggling. And after COVID, this is increasing a lot across India. And we are getting a lot of calls. We are getting a lot of clients, very frankly, for this particular product that we have, which is job search and career change. But there is one tip which I want to give to everybody, and honestly speaking, that is a tip which I learned from somebody else about 4 years back. So one of my colleagues, when Asmi Bazaar went into trouble and it got busted, so there was a guy, a very smart Marwadi guy, should I add. And when people lose jobs, generally they tend to sit at home, they tend to get into a shell. That guy was giving interviews, and of course, because people are struggling, companies are taking a lot of time, they are not giving offer. Now this guy is a technical guy, and I really learned from him, and I have told the same thing to 50 people, and today I am telling this on video. So let's say the guy got a couple of interview calls, and he went. So in consultancy you call it foot in the door. So the guy got a foot in the door to meet a company, let's say 100 people company, 200 people company. And when he went there, maybe he went for a position and he was not getting selected, or because of bad economy, the company people were thinking again and again. So this guy, I still remember, it was a startup in Noida. He went to the founder and he said, you have interviewed me for a position. You may like me, you may not like me. Let me give you an offer, because I am still searching for jobs. I am a technical guy. Let me work for you for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, absolutely free of cost. The best thing I can expect is actually to give me a space to sit and give me a real work, not a dummy work. Now what I will do, and that work can be different from the position for which you were interviewing me. I'll show my worth in the next 3 months or 2 months or 1 month. I will show you that because of my work, you have got this much of money. So see what happens, what I'm trying to say, when the economy is bad right now, somebody approaches me also, sir, I am looking for a job. My last salary was 70,000 rupees. Now I am in double mind to give somebody 70,000 rupees in these tough times. But imagine that if you can tilt this thing. The employee come and tells me, sir, let's agree for 70,000. You expect me to deliver something in first month or second month, right? I will not take that 70,000 rupees from you for 2 months. If I am able to deliver what we agree upon in 2 months, then you pay me, otherwise no issues. So see my comfort. Essentially, for a sales guy, it is basically if he is able to get me orders of 10 lakh, I would be happily paying him his 1,40,000 after 2 months. Same for that technology guy. So because he was a tech guy, he built something all alone, completely from his own hands, and the company got additional revenue of 7 lakh a month, starting from third month. So now this guy, who was a 3 lakh rupees guy, he said, I have proven already that you are getting an exact additional revenue. See, sometime this particular guy, so some people think, sir, if you can do that, we can have our own business. But that's not true, because you still need a platform. So that guy, he knew the stuff, but the company was already at this level, right? They have a customer base, they have a traffic base, they have a visitor base. It's an online company, let's say. So I found that they doesn't have this particular service. I launched that service. I did coding on my own. Using their free visitors and free traffic, I was able to give them 7 lakh rupees of revenue. So let's say our company GKverse offers a platform. We have done the hard work for 4 years to take our company to a certain level, and so is the case with many other small companies. So you have taken this level. Now a guy, he himself can launch his own company from zero, but let's say I'm giving a platform which is already at 55, 60, I will not say 100. Now because of my platform, this guy is easier for him to deliver, but you deliver and then you ask me the money. So somehow it can also be called as a commission based work or incentive based work, but in that case you are specific. So what that guy did, once he proved his worth, that sir, right now they have done only one project. Imagine if I am your full-time employee and you will make me do 10 things. So by taking 3 lakh from you, I will give you back 5 times of my salary every month. So appeal to the employees, the potential employees. Always try to have this jargon in your talk. If you are able to tell confidently to the employers, sir, if you give me this much of salary, I will return you back this much of money, and if I am not able to return back, I don't want to take that salary. Or we can start with no salary for the first 2 months, let me deliver, and if I am able to deliver, then give me my first 2 months salary together after third month, and if I am not able to deliver, anyway goodbye. So from an employee perspective, man, rather than sitting at home doing nothing, it is good to be in action. So when you are not, as a cricketer, when you are not getting international cricket, you don't sit at home. Now you play Ranji Trophy, where you don't get any money, practically nil money. So when biggest of the players were dropped from Indian team, they go back and play Ranji Trophy. Why? Because you still have to be on the pitch. You still have to face actual bowlers in a competitive match. You will never get that experience in net practice, and you surely will not get that experience by playing cricket on a mobile phone, right? So similarly, if you are an employee, you are like a player. International match is like your real job. When you have lost your real job, you have lost your space. Do not sit at home only in the front of laptop. Be on the ground, be in the field, do something. Even if you have to do free of cost, but you will be in the market, you will be meeting 10 people. And when you do that, opportunity will come out. And if you are really confident about your skills, do the offer with that guy did. I'm avoiding his name. Do that thing which that guy did in front of me, and he got that job which he would have almost lost, just because he was sure on his skills. And he said, Vivek, anyway I was sitting at home. He was still going for interviews during those 2 months, mind you. So, but you don't get interview call every day, correct? You do not get. So once you have uploaded your resume on job portals, and once you have told your network, the job hunting is 2 hours a day work, maximum 3 hours, but you have 24 hours. So rather than thinking about unemployed for 21 hours, why don't you proactively work for somebody for 7-8 hours a day, and wait for that moment where maybe the same organization can give you, or because you are in the market, because you are in the field, because you are standing on the pitch, opportunity might come again. So do that thing, you shall be successful and happy and get a job soon. Bye-bye.